I'm sure, confidently sure, that in the lion's den you'll be there with me. I'm sure, absolutely sure, that in the fire furnace you'll be the fourth man. 'Cause even if you slay me or seem to delay me, I will never let go. I will never let go. Even if I'm lost at any cost, I will never let go. I will never let go. 1,000 may fall at my side, and 10,000 at my right hand. But you promised me, you have promised in your word that you'd never leave me, nor forsake me. 'Cause even if you slay me or seem to delay me, I will never let go. I will never let go. Even if I'm lost at any cost, I will never let go. I will never let go. Even if you slay me or seem to delay me, I will never let go. I will never let go. Even if I'm lost